What's up, y'all? Today was a pretty productive day, and I did a lot of work on the reselling, just because I'm trying to get like a ton of inventory out and just turn that into cash. And then in the afternoon, I did a lot of work on the workshop. It's starting to look pretty good. Show you. It's like in the kind of a little bit still messy but uncluttered phase. I should have it pretty much where I want it after tomorrow. And then I'm gonna do a bunch of pictures and stuff like that. I'd like to finish the website this week. Lisa's gonna be home for Thanksgiving break, so she knows Weebly pretty well because she did her own website. Um, so we'll get on that, and then yeah, I just wasn't really seeing any traffic from Etsy, so I don't really see the point in paying them a 10% off of the top line revenue if they're not driving traffic. Um, so I'm more than happy to post my stuff on there if they do drive traffic, but there's really no point in paying that cut if they're not doing anything for me. Um, I'd much rather pass that on to the customer, and sell it for 10% cheaper on my own site, or on Instagram or on Facebook. Part of the reason why I'm doing the website, besides the fact that I just need one right now, I should have had one a little while ago, is I need it to sell through like Instagram shops, which I think would be a great place for for me because I really like Instagram. But that's about it. Pretty much just dealing with like maintenance and admin and like the businessy shit of business. Printing, I did not print any boxes today, which was a mistake. I need to be printing like 2 boxes a day at least. Um, so that's what I'll be on tomorrow. I think I'm gonna set myself an alarm in the mornings to start a box every morning, like first thing after I like get up and brush my teeth and eat breakfast and stuff like that. Because I think that they take about 5 hours ish. Um, I can probably pick up the speed on them a little bit too. But yeah, that's about it. Quick one today. Alright. Peace, y'all.